Hi everybody, today I will show you how to use conditional formatting in Google Sheets. So conditional formatting basically lets you automatically change the color of a cell based on its value, which makes it really easy to spot important data at a glance. So first, select the cells that you want to apply it to. I will select all these three cells. Now, I will simply click on Format option at the top and I will choose Conditional Formatting from this. Once you click this, you will see a panel will open up on the right side of your screen. You will see the range of cells you selected in the Apply to Range section. Now, under the Format rules, click on this option. Now, a drop-down will appear that says Format Cells If. So you've got a bunch of options here like greater than, less than, equal to, text contains, and more. For this example, I will choose greater than as my condition. Now, choose the value. I will enter something like 2300. Now, any cell above 2300 is going to get highlighted instantly. Now, just below that, under formatting style, you can simply choose whether you want any cell greater than 2300 to be bold, italic, underlined, strike through, or you can select the text color also. For example, I want any value that is greater than 2300 to be in red, or you can click the fill color option and choose the background color for that cell. For this example, I will choose light green. Now, I will click done. Also, you can click color scale and choose a scale for this coloring. For example, I can choose this or another one. Now, I can choose the min value, min point, midpoint, and max point. I can get back to single color here and just apply this. Now, I'll click done. Now, let's say you want to add another rule on top of that. For example, highlight anything below 2300 in red. So I will click add another rule, click on this option and choose less than and enter my value. Now I will choose the fill color and choose the background to be red. I can also select the text color and choose it to be blue. Now I'll click done. Now your spreadsheet is automatically color coding your data based on the value you give. Now you can cut this out, and if you ever want to remove or edit a rule, you can just get back to format, click conditional formatting, and your rules will be listed just right here. You can delete it if you want or click it and edit it. So that's how you use conditional formatting in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.